Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining my channel, and this is my birthday month. I've already started. You've seen some of the birthday month hauls, and we're just going to continue right through it. I may have more videos that I'm posting this month to show you all the things, but let's get right into it. So for those of you who have been rocking with me from the beginning, you know that my birthday month is something to behold. June is it, because it's both Pride month and my birthday month, and rainbow is my favorite color. I usually go and just get all of the fun things that I haven't gotten throughout the rest of the year, like frivolous things just to make me happy, mostly revolving around rainbows or gimmicky things I've seen on Amazon or, you know, my social media feed. So it's a really fun month. Plus I get to show you the gifts that other people have given me. Speaking of which, one of you kindly sent me something, and I want to open it and share it with you here. This person has sent me something before, kind of knows that I'm really into fun socks, and graciously and generously sent me another pair of socks. So I will be sure to rock these so you all see how I style them, but I have a weird obsession with fun socks. The next thing is from, and I've not shopped this place in so long, is from Express. Yeah, I recently heard Express was gonna go out of business or something like that, or on the verge of going out of business, and I don't know if that's true, but Express has been a staple in all of our lives. Like every mall, every shopping strip mall or whatever it is has an Express, and it'd be weird to exist in a world where there's no Express. But anyway, I picked up a few things that were on sale, and let me get right into it. Thinking about summer, I thought this was the perfect top, and I don't have much of this color. It's like a lilac color. It is a sheer boxy cropped top, and I got this in a size extra small, I believe, because yeah, it still looks like it's coming up a bit big, but I love the color. I think it looks nice on me. Love the color, and it's sheer. It is great for summer, so you get to pair it with dresses and t-shirts, bra tops, all kinds of things underneath. We'll see how it looks on, because it does seem like there's a lot of fabric to this, so maybe it's meant to be casual. Oh, the original price on this was $35, and hopefully I'll have the wherewithal to show on screen all of these things that I purchased and how much they cost. The next thing I got, this is one of my favorites. Now, aside from rainbow, this probably is my favorite color to purchase and wear. And I tell you this because, this is my thing, because I am tan year round, and white looks great on tan skin. This one is a corset top dress. It does have straps on here. They don't appear to be removable, so I really appreciate that. I love the look of strapless things, but they drive me nuts. It falls down all day long. So I love that it had the straps on here. It has this sort of sweetheart neckline, and this corset at the top hopefully doesn't drive me insane, because boning, because my torso is so short, usually digs in places that I don't really like my ribs, in between each rib. It also has little ruffles and things here. Hopefully you can see that on screen. And it's just a really sweet, cute, pretty dress for summer. It's going to be on my body pretty soon. And this one was originally $128. Again, if I have the wherewithal, I will put on the screen how much I paid for it. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out Express. They're having a really good sale. I think it's an additional 40% off everything that's on sale. So worth checking it out. This one was the biggest item on the list in terms of size, bulk, and I think maybe price. We'll see. But this is something that I quote needed. There's none of this I need, but I needed it. This one is a black maxi sweater, and it is pretty heavy and substantial. It looked that way online, and that's what made me gravitate towards it. I love this collar. It's almost like a popped collar. The original price on here was $108. The dress cost more than that, $128. And I love the way this collar kind of cuts in. It makes it look kind of chic, right? And it also has pockets, so we all love that. We could throw miscellaneous things in there. Having to be in the office, whether it be winter or summer, it's always cold in the office, so I'm always looking for stuff like this. And the fact that it's maxi is even better, because then I get to wear short skirts and short dresses to the office and be covered, and then when I leave, just take it off and I'm ready to go for summer. So I love pieces like this. It's very versatile. The one that I do have is not maxi, it's midi. kind of goes just below my knee, and it's thinner. So I really enjoy the thickness of this, the plushness of this. This is awesome. Again, if I have the wherewithal, price will be on the screen. Now, the next piece is the piece that I was really interested in and really excited about. That's what got me to shop on Express. I've been eyeballing this piece because I think it's been coming up on my feed for the longest. Like, when I say the longest, maybe since last year. But it was full price at the time, and I just didn't think this one piece warranted paying that much. The original price on this was $88. This is a maxi skirt, but let me show you what it looks like. So this one, it's like what kind of color? Like maybe a cream color, cream satin, and it's heavy and substantial. I think like this could easily be worn as like a two-piece wedding dress. Like if you had a top that matched it or something cool to wear up top, it could be, you know, for a casual wedding for a bride. Meaning it would be like your second marriage type of thing. Yeah, I think it would look good for that. But for me, I was actually envisioning it in a more casual way, like with combat boots or sneakers, actually. So this is what it looks like. It has pencil skirt vibes, but then when you get down to the bottom here, it flares out like a little tail here in the back. And I thought that was super cute. I know for a fact I'm gonna have to get this tailored because I'm all of, you know, 5 feet, 5'1", and usually these things are made for models. But I just absolutely love the idea of this. I got this in an extra small. I think I got all the pieces in an extra small. I don't think this sweater is an extra small. I got the sweater in a medium because I wanted that to be oversized, but this I got in an extra small in the other pieces. Originally $88. I'll put on a screen how much I eventually paid for this, but I think this is a super cute piece. Just the versatility in my head, how I was envisioning wearing this, I just think it's super cool. So that's what made me shop on Express for this time around, and hopefully, oh shoot, okay, that fell. Hopefully I don't regret that purchase, but I think already just feeling the weight of it, I think it's a really good purchase. So now I want to close the loop on a few things that I talked about before. I'm super excited to tell you about some of this stuff, so hold up, let me get it. So the first thing I want to talk about is I did a blind buy on a few products from the brand Phlur. I did a fragrance and I did a lotion, and I also did a candle. The candle I have not burned yet, but I have tried the fragrance and the lotion. Okay, let's start with the fragrance. Fragrance smells good. It didn't do anything weird on the skin. When I originally sprayed it, I thought that I'd smelled a hint of some sort of white floral that was bothering me. I don't know what it was, but afterwards I never got that scent again because I was smelling it here. Like I was in the bed and I'm just like, something ain't right. It's kind of bothering me. So I don't know if it was something else that I put on or was it this, but nonetheless, since then I've worn it several times. I'm not getting the white floral anymore. I don't know, but nonetheless, it does smell nice, but the thing is, it's super, super faint. It's more of a skin scent. It's for you. People walking by or whatever probably wouldn't smell it unless maybe you gave someone a hug and they were like in the nape of your neck, which most people shouldn't be in the nape of your neck. People probably won't smell this. So that's the only feedback I'll give about this. It's lovely, but it's more of a skin scent. It's for you. This other thing was the lotion. The fragrance on this one is very, very light, but I think these two complemented together work really, really well. It is very moisturizing. Surprisingly, usually like these fragrance brands, they're not really trying to moisturize your skin. They're just trying to give you the fragrance. This, they did the other way around. It's a nice formula for lotion, but the fragrance isn't really potent. So depends on like you, like how do you prefer to present in terms of fragrance when you put it on? If you're a light fragrance but pretty, this is for you. So I would suggest it. The next thing is a sleeper surprise kind of a thing. I got this product as a throw in, a free with purchase kind of thing from Aveda. It's the Botanical Repair Bond Building Styling Cream. It strengthens, smooth frizz, protects, and adds hold. When my curly hair looks, these are not twist. This is not a twist out. This is what my hair looks like without any other sort of styling. I don't try to promote the curls, twist it around my finger, nothing. This is exactly what my hair looks like when I wash it. Then I put this on it. It holds it. Usually my hair ends up frizzing over time and all of this and all that. Like this is what the texture of my hair looks like once I'm done washing my hair. And then I put this on and it's not crunchy, it's not greasy, it's not no white residue, no, like, go get you some. That's all I'm gonna say. If you're I'm 4C curly hair, coily, And again, 4C coiling, once it starts to get dry and all this, if it does whatever it wants to do, this right here makes me feel like wonderful. So I wish I would have bought 5 of these instead of, you know, whatever I bought and gotten this one thing for free. So this is now on my list. Lastly, you already see evidence of me loving it. I absolutely love this polish that I got. I just tried this. This is a very new color from OPI called, what is it called? Dream Come Blue. Dream Come Blue is the name, and the number is 3265. And I got it. I was just trying something new on my feet for my pedicure, and I ended up falling in love with it. Went on Amazon and bought a bottle. Ended up putting on my fingers. I've gotten so many compliments for this color on my fingers. Kind of matches my outfit. So if you're looking for something new to experiment with for summer, I would recommend this one. All right, that's it, my friends. We have come to the end. You're gonna see a few more of these birthday hauls, more than usual. Usually during June, my birthday month, I do shop a lot more than normal. You're like, how is that possible? Well, it is. So stay tuned. There will be more. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. Hit that like button. Leave me comments down below. Bye.